Hey everyone, welcome back to the Doba YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most profitable dropshipping niches, pets. We've covered many lucrative niches before, but the pet market truly stands out. Why? Well, according to Fear Markets, the pet care e-commerce space is already worth over $22 billion and is growing at an impressive 9.2% annually. By 2027, it's set to top $45 billion. And with 66% of U.S. households owning pets in 2024, the market is massive. People are not only dedicated pet owners, but also very willing to spend money on products that make their pets happier and healthier. So stick around as I reveal the top 5 pet dropshipping products to sell in 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to catch all our dropshipping tips and updates. First up, let's talk about the automatic pet feeders. This modern accessory is perfect for busy pet owners who want to keep their pets fed on a regular schedule. The automatic pet feeder dispenses a precise amount of food at set times, ensuring your pet gets the right portion even when you're not around. There is always demand for these products according to Google searches. Many modern pet feeders incorporate advanced features such as portion control, voice recording, and compatibility with smartphone applications. Although these high-tech models typically carry a higher price point than more basic alternatives, they present an opportunity for retailers to achieve greater profit margins per sale. As pet owners increasingly seek convenience and innovation in feeding solutions, these premium products may prove to be a savvy investment for businesses looking to enhance their offerings. They are also an essential part of pet care, making them a reliable product category for dropshippers. Next, we have the pet beds. Pet beds come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials, from plush, orthopedic beds for older dogs to snug, cave-like options for cats. Pet beds make our top dropshipping products list because they're versatile and cater to pets of all sizes and breeds, meaning you can reach a larger customer base. Here's a bonus. Pet beds look fantastic in photos, making them ideal for promoting on your social media channels. Pet beds have been incredibly hot on social media for quite some time. Just look at TikTok. A quick search reveals tons of videos featuring unboxings, demos, and reviews. It's a fantastic opportunity for you to capitalize on this trend. The third product today is interactive pet toys. Examples include puzzle toys, treat dispensers, and automatic feeders. These toys are ideal for dropshipping due to their high demand, variety, and good profit margins. Pets, particularly dogs and cats, need mental stimulation as much as physical exercise. Without it, they can become bored and exhibit destructive behavior. Interactive pet toys help alleviate boredom and promote healthy behavior by keeping pets mentally engaged and challenged. One of the hottest pet dropshipping products right now is the dog harness. Unlike traditional collars that can put strain on a dog's neck, this harness wraps comfortably around their body, making walks smoother and more controlled. Many models come with extra features like handles or reflective strips, which are ideal for early morning or late night walks. Cat litter is a must-have for every cat owner. It absorbs urine, masks odors, and keeps the litter box clean. There are numerous options on the market, including clay-based, silica gel crystals, and eco-friendly choices made from recycled paper or natural materials like corn and wheat. So why should cat litter be on your radar for dropshipping? First off, it's a staple product with steady demand among cat owners. The wide variety of cat litter types allows you to cater to different customer needs, whether they're looking for budget-friendly or eco-conscious options. Moreover, because cat litter is a consumable product that needs to be replenished regularly, it ensures repeat purchases and a reliable revenue stream. When starting a pet dropshipping business, finding the best suppliers is crucial to delivering quality products to your customers. You can identify superior suppliers by focusing on key criteria. Additionally, wholesale pricing and clear buying and refund policies are essential. Be sure to review these details carefully. To find reliable pet dropshipping suppliers, I recommend using Doba's Premium Suppliers feature. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. All suppliers on Doba undergo a thorough vetting process to ensure they are trustworthy and reliable, with many based in the United States for faster delivery to your customers. Doba also integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like TikTok, Shopify, eBay, and Amazon. Once you find a product you want to sell, simply click List a Store to add it directly to your online store. And here's the best part. Doba offers a 14-day free trial. Drop a comment with #Dropshipping Simplified below, and we'll send you the link to start your free trial. All right, if you're ready to dive into the pet niche dropshipping business, now is the perfect time to start. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Don't forget to comment to get the free trial link. See you in the next video. Happy dropshipping!